Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you one of the features that you get as a member of this Leadsleap platform. You can get free lifetime membership, and one of the things that you will be able to do is create pop-ups. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to scroll down here, and today we are talking about pop-up creators. But before we go into that, let me just show you, if you're not sure what that is. This is a page that I have in Leadsleap that I'm promoting, and watch what happens as I try to exit the page. So the pop-up shows up and it says, "We work as a team. Together we can achieve more. Come in and see what we can do." So somebody can come in here and click here, and they will land on this page right here. So that is a feature that we have in Leadsleap. So if we go back here, and these are the different pop-ups that you can create. There's all different types that you can choose. Okay, so depending on what you're looking for, you can just set this up, and it's very simple. So let's go ahead and log into the back office and show you where you go. So you just simply go to pop-up. Where are you, pop-up creator? Rotators. Pause video. There you go. I had to scroll down. So form pop-up manager, this is where you go. So here you can see all the pop-up forms I have. So you just come in here, add new campaign. I'm just going to show you real quick. I'm not really going to get into it. I just want to share with you the features that we have. But you can actually add new form. If you have a share code, you can import it. Otherwise, you can go ahead and create one from scratch. And Leadsleap always points you on what you need to do next. Okay. It's very newbie friendly. But here are all the different pop-ups that you can get. You can just scroll through and pick whichever one that you want, and then you can set it up so that when they click whatever you want them to click, you tell them what happens next, right? You set it up there, and there's step-by-step instructions. So that is how simple it is for you to set that up. And let me pause. Okay, so the reason I paused the video is to give you a call to action. So you can click the link in the description if you want to go ahead and try these for free. You can create a free account for life and get access to all these amazing marketing tools. And if you're interested in learning more about how to use Leadsleap, then I'm going to have the second link in the description. You can check it out. This is a system that will cost you $10 one time that has step-by-step training on how to utilize Leadsleap. You see that pop-up just appeared as I was exiting, right? So I learned so much. $10 one time for step-by-step training is absolutely amazing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video to the very end. If you want to reach out to me, in the description will be a link to my Facebook profile page, my Telegram mastermind group. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.